Now we're here towards the end of our journey, okay? And you guys told me was to win. So all of us should have an understanding here that what is our goal today? We win, okay? So now I want to talk to you guys about the tangible and intangible.
First five daw po. First five daw.
What's up mga kailong?
7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In the villa, sipping from a Grammy, walking in the building, diamond in the ceiling, marble on the floor, beaches out the window, peeking out the window, baby in the pool, got.
Sure. Kasi madali pa ito, diba? Testingin natin mamaya sa volleyball.
Test lang ha, baka bumabad eh.
Side view, side view, side view.
Wow, naman. Sarap mo.
Bagay, bagay.
Bagay. Totoo yan, totoo.
Totoo. Oh, wag mo.
Number 79, Signet. Number 3, Ismet. C7J, number 14, Nelson. Number 15, Mateos. Number 16, Nelson. Number 0, Sigurd. Number 8, CC. Number 29, Sindugo. Number 25, Sibotche. Secret weapon noon, nasa lineup na ngayon. Number -4, si Yo. Number 20, si Judy Boy. At ang kanilang playing coach, number 1727, si Goy. Smart Araneta, one more time for Team Pera!
Okay na. O, patayin nyo yung ilaw. Patayin nyo yung ilaw. Ayan. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyong dalawa na sobrang pogi nyo sa Pinapungal. Oo, pogi na kaya kami. Kaya nakita mo sa pagkakati ko. Gusto ko umalis tayo ng Araneta na pangit lang, pero nanalo.
Himpayaman kung ano, chance mo na to kasi medyo last time, 40 ng laban, panalo ka agad. Ayan o, ayun. 40 naman kung manalo ulit kami, so...
They know how it feels to lose it.
Puro patawa. Ang tingin sa atin, nagpapatawa tayo sa loob ng court. Wala ko na alam mo nagpatawa nyo natin.
Pero ngayong gabi, kayo ay luluha.
Sana this year, manalo naman kaya.
Tiga natin, may the best game win. Magdala kayo sa Kong's Unbelievable Basketball. Katapusan yun na. Ito na ang aming paghihigante, di na muling magpapaapi. Kaya kabahan ka May nakalimutan akong lyrics. At Gerald Anderson.
All-Star Games. Top from Kong Clothing. Team Payaman. Cargo pants from Ukay. Shoes from Peak. Yan, ito yung collaboration with Team Payaman. Oh, ganda. Ay, may sticker pa. Bagong-bago, di ba? At saka necklace from Sikihor. Kasi red. Red yung Team Payaman. Red yung jersey. And manalo matalo, tandaan nyo, mahal ko kayo, Donnie, Hilio, River, and Argel.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Paknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!